Hello everyone, what if I tell you that you can use two screen readers in your smartphone? It sounds great, right? But do you think how is it possible? Right? Okay, please watch this video till the end. In this video, we will learn how you can use two screen readers in your smartphones. Before jumping into the video, let's see how it works. Currently, I'm using Prudence screen reader. See,
Phone. Play Store. Prudence screen reader.
now I'm turning off this screen reader by pressing volume up and the power button.
Prudence screen reader turned off.
Then I will turn on the TalkBack by using both volume keys. Now see, TalkBack is open.
Play. Prudence screen reader. Play Store. Phone. Phone. Characters. Spoke. Hindi India. Tamil India. Tamil India. Hindi India. Default. Speech rate.
Let me reduce the speed.
Messages. Micro G set. My Galaxy. OneDrive.
Alright, now I'm turning off the TalkBack.
TalkBack off.
Now I'm turning on the Prudence screen reader again by pressing volume up key and the power key.
Prudence screen reader turned on.
Okay, so this is magic, right? But today, if you watch this video till the end, you can also learn this magic. Ratul this side from Accessible Computing. Let's get started. To do this, you must have a smartphone and two screen reader installed in your smartphone. You can use TalkBack and Gishio or TalkBack and any other screen reader like Prudence screen reader. By the way, we have the full review of Prudence screen reader which you can watch from our channel. Okay, to do this, go to settings.
Screen recorder. 1. Notification. Settings. Application icon.
Then you need to go to accessibility. Either you can go by swiping or you can search in your settings. Let me find the accessibility.
Accessibility TalkBack. Mono audio. Assistant menu.
This is my accessibility settings as I am using Samsung's mobile phone. So I'm double tapping here.
Accessibility.
Under accessibility, you need to find the downloaded services. If you're using Redmi or Realme's phone, you will get some options like general, hearing, vision and downloaded services. So you need to find the downloaded services. Let me find this.
Navigate. Access. Search button. More. Recommend. TalkBack. Spoken assist. Visibility. Hearing enhancement. Interaction and advanced setting. Installed apps. About apps. Installed apps. 1 of 3 apps are in use.
Okay, so installed apps. Instead of downloaded services, Samsung provides installed apps. So installed apps or downloaded services, both are same. Click here.
Installed apps.
Here you can see all the apps which you have accessed and which has the accessibility permissions.
Navigate up but installed apps.
Installed apps.
Live transcribe convert speech to text. Prudence screen reader on.
Prudence screen reader on. Okay, so double tap here.
Prudence screen reader.
Then let's explore the options.
Prudence screen read. Prudence screen reader.
Okay.
Prudence screen reader shortcut press side and volume up keys.
So Prudence screen reader shortcut. So you need to turn this shortcut on. Before this, you need to turn on this option.
Prudence screen reader shortcut switch on.
By default, this will be turned off. So you need to turn it on. While you are turning it on, it will ask you and it will give you an alert and you need to click on I agree or something similar. Then you will be able to use two screen readers. After turning on this feature, come back to the previous option.
Prudence screen reader shortcut press side and volume up keys. Prudence screen reader shortcut.
Here you can see various shortcuts. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose.
Prudence screen reader shortcut. Prudence screen reader shortcut. Select actions you can use to start using Prudence screen reader directly.
Okay.
Checkbox not to tap accessibility button. Tap the accessibility button at the bottom of your screen.
So if you have the accessibility button at the bottom of your screen and you check this box checked, then you just need to double tap on that accessibility button to turn on your Prudence screen reader. Next,
Accessibility button settings button. Checkbox not to press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds.
if you check this box checked, then instead of turning on and off TalkBack, Prudence screen reader will work while you are pressing your volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. Next,
Checkbox to press side and volume up keys.
press side and volume up keys. Side keys means this is a power key. So if you want, you can set as I have done, like volume up key and the power key for Prudence screen reader. So this is how you can easily use two screen readers in your single smartphone. If you find this content useful, like the video and share the video. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what is the best part of this video which you liked most. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and press bell icon, choose all notifications to get latest videos for free. If you want to join us on social media, follow the description box below. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching.